You got a yield sign. Hello? Toyo turd. Okay, up. Nice cut off, Toyo turd.
Level 103, 104, I promise you, you're not going to fight me on that because you're probably not going to become...
Red light, Ron.
Yeah. In order to call in air support danger close in the daytime, the pilot's upside down. His advisor at you.
That was red light line behind me by Toyo turd.
Relationship with my parents now sucks. I don't have a relationship with either of my brothers growing up, and
Ooh.
There was some major trauma that happened to
Left turn dive,
my older brother
Toyo turd.
And
Why do people always park there? And what the fuck are you doing? Why do people always park here? This is not a parking spot. Look, the Toyo turd. Nice cutoff, really? What the fuck? The hell is that? It's like the Prius spazzed out or something. Uh-oh, someone was in the wrong lane. Oh well.
Christian nation that teaches God's word and enforces God's laws.
No stop.
The means to achieve this goal was outlined by attorney
Toyo
Philip
turd.
Johnson of the scientists applying for a position at Patriot University might as well be asked
and you run a red light.
Ghostbusters Secretary Janine Mel.
Douchebag. Toyo turd. Yes, it's a Lexus. It's still a Toyo turd. And my spidey sense is tingling. Yep, because I think that's a Prius behind me. Yeah, thumbs up. Can't believe that douchebag Nissan driver let him in.
That's all they do is fight. You ever got to fight? They do like last little bit.
Dude, you don't have to merge into my lane. That lane exits too. Really? Toyo turd.
I was just trying to be the man. I was a little nice.
We'll go back to the 7-yard line.
Oh, wow. Now, the real
7
question
Really?
is, who's returning this kickoff?
Up into the freaking 1970s. Learning about this is an important way for us to be better, because when you know better, you do better. And framing it that way may help her to feel a little less threatened by it.
Come on.
When it comes
Toyo turd.
having conversations,
Secondly, when it comes to allowing your young children to know that you and your wife may have different views of the world or of religious issues, I think you're like, well, I have come to a different decision.
Come on.
Or a different realization. I'm not
I mean, what are you
convinced
doing that's more
about
important
God
than paying
and the Bible.
attention to the
I
light?
think that there are
Exit dive behind me. Toyo turd.
I know everybody knows that. We still have to say. All right, shitty neighbors. Shitty neighbors.
Speaking of shitty neighbors, get the fuck off my ass. Toyo turd.
Short time. You did 18. You're supposed to do 20. It's just like, well, I didn't want to get into the next bit because it's a 3-minute bit, and then I get my.
Nope.
If I
Lexus.
go over it.
No stop. Toyo turd.
On some of the stuff we're hearing now, I think it's extremely slow. I wouldn't say slow,
Red light run.
but I would say that
Red
it's
light run, Toyo turd.
demonic oppression for you to be angry. They're going to be like, no, because we
why are you
understand that
stopping?
psychological
Toyo
and
turd.
health perspective that all these
That's what the subject is, the existence of God, and how we came into existence because we are dependent. And
I think you're missing my point, though. Yeah, okay, we came
Really?
into existence, yeah.
Road work ahead with a big arrow saying to stay to the left, and you can't figure that out? Toyo turd. No, Toyo turd's in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because there are signs everywhere. And it's no Toyo turds in the left lane. And there's another Toyo turd in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. There are signs everywhere that say there's no Toyo turds allowed in the left lane. I definitely did not Photoshop it. No, no, no. For real, no Photoshop. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below which car brand should I make fun of next time. Okay, bye.